Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error ROBLOX memory dump captured. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click on Run as Administrator and click Yes to open the console. Then, in the console, run the command Chkdsk C: /F, press Enter. When prompted, enter the letter Y to confirm. After this, restart the operating system. You will wait for the C drive to be examined and repaired if necessary. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in, you can access Roblox without any errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.